We are proceeding.
That you are not able to read their mind.
Lordship.
Eh?
We are proceeding.
You have shown their criminal antecedents.
Ji.
He is so clever that the police of the Chhattisgarh is so dumb.
What was the
You
mission?
have to come out with a
We will-
specific
we will-
case.
we will-
You have to come up with this case which was registered against an unknown caller
Ji.
was way back in 7/7/2023. Almost 2 months have passed. You are still
We are-
beating behind the bush. तो इन्होंने एंटिसिपेटरी बेल के लिए मूव किया, तो वहाँ कोर्ट ने ऑब्जर्व किया, तो ये जो
It
लेटर
is
था,
lordship, whatever lordship. We had not. We are in the process. Initial. It is the initial stage of the investigation. We had not collected much material against the present applicant. Here, lordship, the query was made by the trial court. Para 3 में भी seen lordship. थाना सिविल लाइन बिलासपुर से प्राप्त प्रतिवेदन के अनुसार आवेदक आरोपी अतुल शुक्ला के विरुद्ध थाना सिविल लाइन बिलासपुर में वर्तमान में किसी प्रकार का अपराध दर्ज नहीं होना पाया गया है. Till that lordship, crime has not been registered lordship. It is under process investigation. This petition has been filed.
नहीं, जस्ट मिनट, ऐसा नहीं है प्रोसेस. आपने इसके साथ एक FIR लगाई थी ना, कहाँ है भाई? ये है, ये FIR लगाई थी.
Against unknown
ये
person.
अननोन मोबाइल कॉलर के नाम है ना
जी.
तो आपका कहना था कि ये मोबाइल कॉलर क्या आया था कल एक
It is a case
ये
of. It is a lordship. We have been suspect on his because his mobile number has not.
भाई,
Mobile number is not
you-
seized
you
today.
say
Till
that
date.
कोई FIR रजिस्टर नहीं हुई.
जी.
कोर्ट ने ये लिखा.
जी.
अब कोर्ट ने ये लिखा FIR रजिस्टर नहीं, लेकिन इन पर्सन्स ऑफ एन FIR यू आर कॉलिंग अपॉन.
No, we are not called lordship.
क्या, ये तो लिख रहा
ये
है?
इतना है कि हम जिस मोबाइल नंबर से हमने ट्रैक किया लॉर्डशिप,
हाँ, हाँ.
उसमें इन्होंने 2012
आपको ये लिखना चाहिए था.
जी.
आपकी भी तो रिपोर्ट माशाल्लाह.
लॉर्डशिप I will admit for that.
आपकी रिपोर्ट तो माशाल्लाह है.
It
आपके
should
पास
be
एक
clear,
FIR तो
it should
रजिस्टर
be-
हो गई. एक FIR रजिस्टर, उसके तफ्तीश कर रहे हैं आप.
जी.
उसके लिए उनको बुलाना चाह रहे हैं आप.
नहीं, till date we are not called lordship. इनका हमने ना कोई नोटिस दिया इनको,
हाँ.
ना हमें इनको बुलाया है.
हाँ.
It is we are collecting material lordship. It is a very initial stage. एक मोबाइल नंबर हमको मिला है.
इनिशियल स्टेज में आप ये क्या लिख रहे हो भाई साहब? तो क्यों इसके पिटिशन नंबर 2 और 3 को क्यों खींचा?
Lordship,
पिटिशन नंबर 2 और 3 को क्यों?
they are also in similar nature of allegation. Lordship, what is my submission, lordship?
मतलब आप
Direction,
एकदम
we
मतलब
will.
हवाई में सबको घुमाएंगे.
Lordship, we are not harassing them. We are not calling them. We will do according to law. Till lordship the
भाई,
investigation.
in accordance with law आप करते तो ये इनको यहाँ आना पड़ता. आप
Lordship,
बताइए.
but I will.
भाई एटलीस्ट
Back of the record,
ये जो रिपोर्ट थी, आप इनको कॉल अपॉन कर रहे हैं, इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं, इनको एप्रीहेंशन है रिगार्डिंग अरेस्ट की. अगर ये जाते हैं तफ्तीश में तो इनको पकड़ लिया
जी
जाए.
जी
तो इसने जब एंटिसिपेटरी बेल दाखिल किया
जी.
तो कम से कम इतनी रिपोर्ट तो आप लगा सकते थे कोर्ट के सामने.
That-
कि नहीं लगा सकते थे.
I
आपने कहा कोई रजिस्टर नहीं है, तो कोर्ट ने खारिज कर दिया उसकी एंटिसिपेटरी बेल.
इतना ये lordship is right.
Yes,
as well.
Mr.
सर उस समय जब हम लोगों ने एंटिसिपेटरी बेल के समय जब हमसे जो पूछा गया था सर, तो टिल दैट डेट ही वाज नॉट मेड एक्यूज्ड. एक सर टेक्निकल रिपोर्ट है सर जो हमारी टेक्निकल ACCO की टीम ने थाने को भेजी है कि ये आपने ये कॉल डिटेल के बारे में पूछा था, इस व्यक्ति का इतनी बार कॉल डिटेल मिला है, लेकिन सर उसकी तस्दीक हम लोग नहीं कर पाए जब तक ये 17 तारीख को लगाया गया. 1 तारीख को ये रिपोर्ट सर उसने हमारी टेक्निकल टीम ने सर थाने को दी है. मीनवाइल सर वी कुड नॉट गेट एनी एविडेंस सर, तो इसलिए हमने उसको एक्यूज भी नहीं बनाया था सर. तो सिंस वी हैड नॉट मेड हिम एक्यूज, उसको बुलाया भी नहीं, तो हमने इसको सर उसमें बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी सर, क्योंकि कोई अपराध भी नहीं था उसका, कहीं भी कोई हमने न तो उसको बुलाया था.
तो why do you have called petition number 2 and 3 to trace about the whereabouts of petition
No,
number
we
1?
did not call sir. Sir, they are the habitual offenders sir. All three.
What are the criminal antecedents?
हाँ,
of-
criminal
जी,
incidents.
seven-
We have
seven-
seven criminal
हाँ,
incidents.
वही तो बताओ ना, वही तो बताओ ना, वो तो बताते नहीं हो.
In fact, this second person who alleged.
आपकी antecedents बताइए सर.
Sir, what I know, before that I would like to submit, this is my first case, sir.
First case ना, just
And just I recently passed this exam. I was working in different out of India. Different.
आपको कुछ नहीं पता है अपने बारे में.
No, I know there are some allegations, very particularly Mr. Panchayati case. He's a contractor. So in construction, there are always allegations like this case.
नहीं,
in my lord is
आपने अपनी petition में ये कहीं लिखा कि आपके antecedents क्या हैं उसके बारे में कभी कुछ बताने.
whether it was required, sir.
Why not?
No, sir.
Why not?
We-
Why
we-
not? Why not? If your criminal antecedents are there, then at least you should come to the court with clean hands,
Yeah.
disclosing about the antecedents.
Agree, sir.
You have 5 criminal cases. Do you know these criminal cases?
Sir, in my petition, it is well written. Like this case, the court is well aware that they are fabricating. couple of things has been also fabricated in past to get the money.
ये जो केसेस थे इनके जो आपने क्रिमिनल हिस्ट्री इसके स्टेटस क्या है आज की डेट में? आपने ये लिख तो दिया है,
Lordship.
क्या स्टेटस है?
सर दो केसेस में ही इज ऑन बेल, एक तो रिसेंट है 307 सर, इट वाज इन 2019 सर, ही इज ऑन बेल ऑन दैट केस सर. ही हैज ऑलमोस्ट 6 केसेस सर, इंक्लूडिंग ऑल द सीरियस ऑफेंसेस सर, एंड
नहीं,
इवन
ये
द अदर
2001
पर्सन.
के केस हैं, 2001 के केस हैं ये सब.
ये
इसमें
तो
क्या
दो
हुआ?
तो पुराने हैं सर, बाकी 3 नए हैं सर, एक 18 का है सर, एक 19 का है सर.
18, 19, 15 का है. तो इसमें हुआ क्या है इसमें?
सर
इनके?
ही इज ऑन बेल सर, इट इज
कोई
स्टिल
अभी
अंडर
trial
ट्रायल.
का- तो ये आप इसको बताया क्यों नहीं भाई? आपको इसको तो
Sir, in
बताना-
my petition is written, not all the case wise, it is well written ki like this, there were so many cases also fabricated in the past.
Right.
Okay, it's well written, my petition, sir.
Okay, just hold on. You are a very good person. Now you tell us, you are aware of the fact that you are wanted in crime number 796 of 2015, 343 सन 2018, 394 सन 2019. 3 केसेस आपके हैं, बाकी ओल्ड वाला छोड़ दीजिए. इसमें आप बेल पे हैं शायद,
Yes.
तो इसमें बेल, इसकी ट्रायल की स्टेटस क्या है इस केस की?
All are under trial. I do not have detailed information, but all are under trial, sir. No conviction aid, all are under trial.
ठीक है. तो तीसरे के खिलाफ कोई नहीं है? तीसरे के खिलाफ
बसंत साहू के खिलाफ
तो आज की डेट में इनके खिलाफ आपके पास कोई एविडेंस
जी,
नहीं है?
apart from the technical sir, details sir, CDR details, we don't have any evidence till now sir.
Till now. So
We are looking into,
we
sir.
record your
But this is a-
statement and petition
sir-
be disposed of?
Sir,
it may be disposed of, Lordship, but there is a motive for filing this petition. I would submit there is a motive for filing a petition by
क्या
the.
मोटिव है?
They want to know, Lordship, where the investigation proceeding, how the investigation proceeding, they want to know. They are very well aware about this fact. Lordship,
तो-
जिस
नहीं,
crime,
तो they are-
Yes,
sir,
proceed-
let me submit sir.
हाँ,
This was a very sensitive case sir. The victim, he did not wanted to have the FIR sir. He was sick. He was like trapped into a sextortion case sir. And he did not wanted to lodge FIR also sir. But after many persuasions, he used to come. Then he wanted FIR lodged. When we started investigation sir, we were looking how who is the person behind this. We did not have anything except that one call records. We traced back this person Atul Shukla sir. Interestingly sir, he was like, he is in contact with many girls. He has
So you bring him to task.
That is what we are looking, sir.
At least you people are so, we fail to understand how the investigation proceeds in these types of matters.
in
He is
between what
wanted in
happened
some
sir.
criminal cases, he admits the fact. Now, the present case which has been lodged by an unknown caller, you have investigated the case for about 2 months, but you find nothing. He went to the court for anticipatory bail. He could not get it because no offense has been registered. But thereafter, the police is unnecessary, in its own way trying to get the matter investigated. जो भी आपकी है अपराध, तो उसको तो आप अगर कुछ apprehension है, अगर unless and until आप उसको pinpoint नहीं करेंगे, तो ऐसे हवा में तीर चलाएंगे तो कैसे काम चलेगा? तो ये तो आपका काम है ना, तो आप इसको बताइए कि ये एक्चुअल क्या है इसमें. तो हम आपका स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड करते हैं, पिटिशन डिस्पोज ऑफ कर देते हैं. एट दिस स्टेज देयर इज नो एविडेंस. if कोई एविडेंस आएगी देन यू मूव प्रोसीड अगेंस्ट दिस पर्सन. दैट इज ऑल. बताइए.
Lordship, it is a, Lordship may pass that the investigation should go on and it is according to law, we will act according to.
बस ठीक
बस.
है, लिख दीजिए.
Sir, I have a little submission. In affidavit of the other party beyond this family member, they clearly mention that police is harassing. They are telling that there are some call record has been out there. A lady is saying the multiple people name, and out of this their call conversation, her husband as well as his boss name is also came out. So out of these multiple people, only Atul Shukla is having a dare to come to the court because everybody cannot. So it's the extortion case from the other side. Number one. Number two, sir. First of all, my apologies, sir, because I am becoming hyper. This is my first case. I was different background, so my humble apology. The second thing, sir, if they are very right, they should have given everything the detail, no RTI explanation, though even the SP office IG, they are not telling us, but they are harassing. They had taken the 5 people for the interrogation without, they are not telling what is the offense. My humble submission, what the statement is, they are saying, it has to be supported by the affidavit. So because of this, we can go to the lower court again and we get for the,
At this stage, he says that there is no evidence against you, we dispose of this petition. If any further evidence or any police challan report comes, then they will definitely let you know. Then you proceed in accordance with
so
law.
we
That
will
is-
be in the same circle, sir, because
Why?
it,
Why? भाई
because-
at this stage तो आपके पास कुछ अभी है नहीं. अगर इनको कुछ आपके खिलाफ fresh material मिलता है, then you take recourse to that law, then you go for anticipatory bail. But as on of now, there is nothing against you.
sir, still we have the threat, they are threatening for arrest, they are threatening for surrender.
Sir, if you are in imagination that
No, no,
there is a threat.
no, sir, no mention. 5 people have
Why
submitted
he
the
is before
affidavit.
us, he is before us, he is making a statement that till date, though the FIR is being investigated by unknown caller, which है ना, against unknown caller, but evidence has not even collected against you. Let that material be collected. If they find that you are also wanted, then you take recourse to law.
So
They
the
will-
last submission is at least allow that 15 days or 21 days protection. The reason is two,
क्या
sir.
क्या कि हवा में प्रोटेक्शन
No, 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 no,
कह
sir.
रहा है कुछ है ही नहीं तो कहाँ से प्रोटेक्शन
No,
दे
sir,
दें?
because we are threat, that's why we are serious threat is occurring, sir.
That is misconceived. Dismiss कर दीजिए. या ये जो करना हो कर दिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट